How to create Spotify artist account. So if you want to create a Spotify artist account, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your browser and you need to search for Spotify artist. And here you will have Spotify for artists. So just click on it. Once you click on it, then you will get this kind of interface. So you just need to simply scroll down a bit. And here on the upper right, you will have login. You can simply go with login and log into your account. But if you don't have an account, you can go with create. So go with sign up for Spotify and then you can sign up. But if you already have a Spotify account, you can log in with the existing Spotify account. So I'll be choosing continue with Google and login. Once you've logged in, you will have claim an artist profile. Just go with continue and then scroll down. And if you want to change your account, you can change it. But if you're okay with it, then you can go with next and you can search for artist or paste a Spotify artist URI. So for example, I'll be choosing an artist, which is Beyonce. Once you click on it, now the request has been sent, and if you know the artist, then they will accept your request and you will be able to proceed. But here on the upper side, you can see this team is not accepting requests right now. So if you're new to the music or for the artist, then you can simply go with music not yet live on Spotify. Click on that and it will take you to the next page. And here you will have getting music on Spotify. You need to scroll down. And here you will have an option of register right here. You just need to simply click on register. But if you don't have the register option, you can go with get access, which is on the upper right, and select the artist or manager. And in my region, it's not working, or I don't have the page right here. But if it's loading in your region, then it will ask you some questions of 4 to 5 questions about the Spotify distributor and Spotify and everything. So you just need to simply answer that questions or answer those questions, and you'll be able to have a registered artist account. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.